Another beautiful crisp day today. Already warmed up to 62, but there's definitely still that chill in the air. Welcome to Friday the 13th. I was born on a 13th, on a Tuesday though. So it, for me, is a lucky day and day 13 of the Advent calendars. So join me on today's adventure. Okay, 13. I'd love to have an eggnog. I don't think we have one yet. This is a glazed cinnamon roll. Okay, I actually have cinnamon creamer from Trader Joe's that we'll use on this. So this is the creamer I'm going to use. And I'm going to try it just with the creamer today and see if I can do it without any extra sugar. This is really good, by the way, and I believe it's only seasonal. All right, here we go. Oh, it's good. It doesn't need anything else. I usually do, I did 2 tablespoons, but I kind of let it run over a little bit. So it's a little bit more than 2 tablespoons, but not a full 3, I don't think. This is definitely one of the better ones. All right, let's see what wine is on hand for today. 13, give me a wine I like. Another red blend from Bordeaux. Okay, Evan's gonna be very happy about this. All right, we will see what it's paired with. I think we're bringing in tonight, so maybe we can pair it with the food. Little sushi for dinner. First off, I had this gyoza soup, vegetable gyoza, so good, a little salty though. And then I decided on a roll with the cream cheese and shrimp inside, and then the tamago, which is the egg, which I love. That was quite a yummy dinner. And now we will head back to do the wine and cheese, even though right now I really don't want cheese, but I'm gonna do it anyway. All right, I already poured the wine, which is the Bordeaux. And let's see what cheese, because 13 is right here. It is the extra mature cheddar. I do enjoy this one. All right, you just, he doesn't want to be on camera, but Evan just tasted the wine. He did not give it a good thumbs up. He made a face, and it wasn't a good one. So, does that mean I'm going to like it since I hate everything you like? Doesn't smell bad. What don't you like about it? I mean, it's not as dry as some of the other ones we had. I like it. I mean, I don't love it, but I like it. And I'm going to try it with the cheese. Let me undo it. Everyone likes the cheese. All right, now take the wine behind it. You're not making a face.
Much better with the cheese, but this is like, you know, Bordeaux's my thing.
I know, Bordeaux's your thing.
And
not your thing tonight?
No.
Cheese is very good. Actually, pretty good. I have a lot of the cheese taste in my mouth, so though. Yeah, it's pretty good. I still think that so far, which is crazy to me, that Riesling is still my favorite. All right, well, I'm gonna go and relax and watch some TV and enjoy the rest of the evening. So, until tomorrow, thank you for tuning into the Wonderful World of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you for tomorrow's Advent calendar. And tomorrow night we're going to a party, so I'll take like video of the decorations and whatnot. So, all right, good night.